Hello, my name is Aiden Villalobos Plaza. I study social communication at UNAD University. I am from Turbo, Antioquia, Colombia. In my community, I found a beautiful artwork called the Blue Cat Monument. It is a public sculpture made by a local artist in 2016. I found a similar artwork in Google Arts and Culture. It is called a cat on its back and was created by Vicente Van Gogh in 1888. Both artworks are similar because they show a cat use bright and vivid colors, represent the connection between humans and nature, and express identity and beauty. I think these artworks are important because they connect local and global culture. Thank you.